Okay, so in this video, guys, we are going to discuss about uh, how to import JSON data into our database. In the previous video of the ETL, I have explained you how to import the CSV file, flat file, uh, or the Excel file into our database. And also we have explained that how we can validate source and target. So here I am going to explain you how we can import the JSON data into our database. So for the importing JSON data, first of all, we need to understand what exactly the JSON data is. JSON data always comes into two parts. One is the key and another is the value. Key is nothing, just like, let me show you the JSON data. This is the JSON data. So JSON data, as I told you, that comes under JSON is a format of two things. One is the key, another is the value. So wherever you will see the ID, first name, last name, email, gender, these are the key. And the value comes after that. That is 101, Marel, Lawlings, and all the things. Those are the values, the gender, male. So what is the key and what is the value? So the key means whatever that in the table, the column name that is referred as a key, and the row things referred as a value. So the ID is the column name and value 101 is the key value. That is ID. The first name is the column name. The Merrill is the key value. That is means the row. So this way the JSON creates a data. So now I want to import these data into our database. So for importing these data, there are two things we need to follow. The first thing that we need to understand key and value. Next thing, the most important, first of all, we need to create one table in our database. The, and those tables, that table should have the same key which is mentioned in the JSON, irrespective of whatever, because in the JSON, we cannot understand that what is the length of this, what is the length of this. So we can give any random length while we creating database, while we creating table in our database. So you can use your wisdom and you can give the length. Okay. So here we have created one table, source name, table name is source JSON, and I have given this ID, that is integer I'm expecting. The first name is varchar and 255 character. 255 why I have taken? Because it can store maximum, a varchar can store a maximum 255 character. So I don't know that how many characters are available in the first name. Maybe in some of the first name, the value is 10 or some of 200, some of 50. So I'm taking as a maximum. Email I have taken 100 because 100 is more than sufficient. And gender I have taken 100. You can make it as 50 as well because 100 is also more than enough, right? So there are two things, not two things. The first of all, I need to create a one table, right? Create a one table, and the table column name should have same as per the JSON key. So the JSON key, these are the ID, first name, last name, email, and gender. These are the JSON key. So we have to create one table first. So my table gets created. Now I want to import data into this table. Means source.json table. I want to import data. So for that purpose, we need to explain our script that from where you can find the data. So the step 2, tell the script location of JSON file. Then step 3, read the JSON file. And step 4, write the data, JSON file. Data basically means key value into created table. So second, I need to tell my script where is my JSON file, and then I need to say my script that okay, you got the JSON file. Now read the JSON file. Okay, fine. You have read all the JSON file, means all the data is in your memory. So write those data or key value in the created table. I am giving you the table structure name. So for that, I have created one script. You can see declare JSON object. Now inside the JSON object, I am saying that open row set, and these are the SQL query. You can get it, copy from here, or I will also post in description. And this will read the JSON. This will open the JSON. Sorry, this will open the JSON, and then it will read the JSON file. Sorry, read the JSON file. And here, whatever in the dollar sign you are seeing, it is referring the JSON value. It is referring the JSON value. And this is, we are writing the CT function. Okay. So in the CT function, the value it will take from the JSON data first name, the JSON data keyword P last name, the JSON data key email, the JSON data key gender. So it will fetch the column name first. Then I'm going to insert into my created data, created table, and my created table is source.json. Here we have created source.json. So in this table, I'm going to insert source.json, and now here I'm giving, this is the subquery. If you don't have idea of how to write the subquery, then go my video for SQL for ETL testing, where I have explained each and everything, how this query, subquery from one table to another table, how we can move the data or you can clone the data. So here we are doing the same thing. Correct. Now just run the query. Now see the data. My data gets inserted, and in the JSON file, there are 100 records. We can see that 104, and if I scroll down, oh, we have 101. It starts from 101, and the last one is 200. It means we have the 100 records. So now if we see our database, we have also, and how we can By scrolling it, no, we will do count aggregation function. Select count from, of course, we have the 100 records. Correct? So this is the way how we can import data through JSON file into our table. Okay. Hopefully you understand, guys, and try to explain in very linear way, very simple way. You will not find less than this anywhere. But again, if you have any question, query, or you are being stuck somewhere, or you are getting error, so put your question or comment. If you have stuck, then take a screenshot and then put it on the comment section. Okay. Apart from this, the data file and all the things, you can create a sample data, 2, 3, 4 records, because if that is going to import 2, 3 records, then the same way it will also import 2000 or 5000 records. Okay. Okay. So apart from this, if you have any question, then you can put in the comment section. Thank you for your time.